Hey guys, it's time to talk about the 10th anniversary Galaxy S10. It's been just a few weeks since Samsung launched its flagship smartphone Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. While both the phones are going on sale from yesterday, we have already started getting information related to its successor. The successor of the Galaxy S9 series, which is expected to be the Galaxy S10 series, will come with Apple's Face ID like 3D facial recognition feature for added security purpose, claims Korea-based media publication. For this 3D sensing camera technology, Samsung will working with Israeli publication Mantis Vision, which is also teaming up with camera module maker Namunga, which currently supplies Samsung with camera module for its low-end and mid-range smartphones such as Galaxy A series and Galaxy J series. The report further adds that the next generation Galaxy S smartphone will also have an in-display fingerprint sensor similar to the one we saw on Vivo X20 Plus UD and Vivo Apex. Samsung was expected to use the in-display fingerprint sensor for the upcoming Galaxy Note 9 smartphone, but has dropped the idea as the technology does not meet the company's standard. The Samsung Galaxy S10 is shaping up to become an interesting offering from South Korean giant. Previous reports indicate that the next generation Galaxy S series device will pack a 7nm chipset and 5G connectivity. It will make the Galaxy S10 first smartphone to have 5G connectivity support. Also, Qualcomm and Samsung have recently announced a strategic relationship agreement which specifically mentions the transition to 5G. If leaker Ronald Khan is to be believed, then the upcoming Galaxy S3 smartphone will be powered by a Snapdragon 855 processor. The phone will also have a neural processing unit similar to the one found on Huawei's Mate 10 Pro. While reports have started emerging about the upcoming Galaxy S3 phone, there is no certainty about the phone being named S10. In a press conference last month, reported by the investor, DG co-president of Samsung Mobile, says that they are thinking about whether to keep the S moniker or the numbering system. Let know what you guys think about it in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe to this channel for the upcoming little tech videos, and I will catch you guys next one. See you soon.